Yo, new shirts. Let's get it.
I don't think there's anything you
Oh no.
can't buy for a...
Whoa. Is that Chris from O-Star? Alright, check out the new whipskis. Oh yeah, we got new lights. Fire. Woo! Wow. So that is a JBR head. I mean a JBR block 4-piston head. This thing is bonkers, bro. Bonkers, bro. And yes, Sirski, that is DC5 interior, baby. This is a Type S, and it's going fuel tech. Check out this harness. Oof, mil-spec firewall plugs. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Oh, yes, Sirski. King's Performance does it all, doing the fuel system on this. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We are going to Sebring tomorrow. Well, tonight we're leaving, and we are going to Fun in the Sun. We'll be testing round 2's layout, which it's going to be pretty sick because clearly, if you saw our last video, we had some issues round 1. We got those figured out. We switched a bunch of things to radium and other bunch of upgrades that we did on the car. So we are going back. Damn, I'm out of air. Okay, but yeah, so going back to Sebring. Round 2 layout will be tomorrow. We get to test it early before round 2, so that's going to be really cool. Going to play with a couple things. I'm going to try to get as much GoPro footage as I can so I can show you guys. I did get a lot of really good feedback on Instagram and a couple DMs, people saying y'all were digging the GoPros and like all the content and stuff. So I'm trying my best. It's been wild. My lens are dirty. Oopsie daisy. But I'm trying, man. It's been super busy. Car looks phenomenal. So we ended up doing the multi-pump surge tank setup in there, and we got, oh yeah, the 2J. Shout out to Cage Kits. Natalie's 2J head is here, and CNC porting, CNC valve job, shimless buckets. It's beautiful. Yeah, more of that to come. But that's not only it. We bought another car. Let's go check it out. Let's see what we got here. Holy smokes, it's another FRS. Oh my God, is that a GR Corolla? Yes, Sirski, it is. But no, we didn't buy a GR Corolla. We bought another FRS. Wow. This is my good pal Chris from O-Star, good friend of mine. But yeah, we did a poll on Instagram, on my Instagram story, saying, what would you guys like to see in that? And it was, you know, in between EcoBoost, K-Series or LS. Well, this video is gonna be posted probably after I posted it on my Instagram story. But yes, we are going K-Series. We're gonna do a turbo K-Series on it using FRS trans, so that's gonna be wicked. Angle kit, suspension, you name it. Gonna be her little fun car. She's gonna have a blast, get out there and shred. Obviously her other car is going 2J, so I'm pumped about that. I'm also pumped about this Ariel Atom because this thing is wicked. We're doing supercharger on it. That's the billet adapter plate for the charger, and that is going sick. This thing is gnarly, so I cannot wait to test drive it. Chris, you out of here?
Yes, sir.
Bye, pal. Have a great weekend. 23,000 original mile Evo 9 RS. This right here, pal. This is what dreams are made of right there. Just kidding. But all my Evo fanatics, I know you guys are drooling over this thing. Another Evo. God, the GR Corolla is so hard. But all right, let's start loading shiznicks up. Oh, and we got a new whip. How can I forget the new whip of the shop? Check it out, B-roll. Woo! Yes, sir, ski. We got ourselves our Hurley high output, 20 miles per hour, catches on the sidewalk. Yep. Another thing that we realized broke, yeah, just repatched that. But all right, let's get it. Let's start loading up.
8 hours later.
Oh, it is 3:57 a.m. We still haven't made it to Sebring, and you know it's a long night when you got a compression tester and all this taken apart, sort of, kind of. Compression check, sorry, it's late. Compression test checked out. All 8 cylinders have above 150. We are getting air being pushed out of this cylinder only while doing the compression test. which is very odd. We are starting to think that it is a bent push rod, bad spring. I don't know if you can kind of hear it on here. I can put the clip in. Let's see, right here. You got that. And the sounds it was making at first, oh my god. You would think I had bent rods. Yeah, that's rough. But yeah, we are still going to Sebring though. We're still going. It's 4 a.m. Cars are all put away. Multiple restock. We're going to watch Georgie, our good best friend, pal, and crew chief. Let's watch him go drifting. We're gonna take his shit box. Oh my god, my camera is dirty. Woo! Shitbox time, shitbox time, shitbox time. Shitbox time, shitbox time, shitbox time. Shitbox time. Yay, Georgie! Shitbox time! Yeah, I'm way too tired for this shit, that's for sure. So fun story. We had the trailer already hooked up and all. I went through the whole thing, cleaned it up, did everything just to park it back when we heard the noise, and we were like, all right, well, we're not going anymore. But here we go. Shitbox time. All right, well, I might have to get off of this. Oh, bad legs. Ugh. Almost dropped the goddamn camera. Damn, my screen's still dirty. Hey, buddy, hold on, pal.
Hurry up, we got a car coming.
They got brakes. Hey, pal, you got to put this thing in parko. There you go. Oh my god. Touchless, baby. Oh, I gotta go up. Hold on. Let her rip, Georgie.
Oh, I forgot my helmet.
We're good, baby. We're gonna take out the shit box.
I forgot my helmet.
Natalie has hers.
I forgot all my stuff at the house. I can't believe I forgot my helmet.
Natalie has hers. Worst case scenario, take mine. Fun fact, we bought this bit for 700. 700, that's a 700. Oh, good. You got no tires on it, boy. Fitment like, bro? Man, what are these? 3-piece? Damn.
You're just gonna, that's the whole YouTube video, you're just gonna roast my car?
I'm not roasting your car, I'm being myself. Y'all say I gotta be myself more than this other professional persona. Look at this shit box. Turn that shit on once and the freaking thing went. Oh, did you see? I wiped down one of the runners and the shine came back up. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, air to water nuts. Don't worry about the wing. We're gonna put it on something else. That's cool. I was showing off my burnt filter that fell off on my turbo. That's perfect. I'll make it work right now. Look, give me some self-tappers. Forgot. You got your own media crew today, pal. I'm gonna be your crew chief today.
Good luck.
You're gonna see.
You're gonna do great. We're gonna pump up them air, the tire pressure up to 100.
You out at 30 psi.
30 psi on the brake, and then once we get you out there, 150. Whoop! Oh, bro.
Hey, before you unload, park up so we can have our own little compound. They don't care. They said we have so much parking for 40 people that it doesn't matter.
I already disconnected the trailer.
Why'd you disconnect the trailer?
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower real quick. Yeah, I haven't slept all night. Oh yeah, and then this happened. Toolbox flew off. It's supposed to go there. Whatever. We'll go shower.
Oh, this is cool. This is good.
Good morning. Whoa. This is what it's like to be welcome. Successful. Damn, they got a nice big balcony. Why didn't I get those? Why didn't you get those? Oh shit.
Hi.
We got neighbors.
Hi, Dave.
Hello. Okay.
Alright, so recap. This is our weekend. George killed it. Oh yeah, over here. That's our weekend. Shitbox time, baby. Yeah, I did that video. Natalie, how was your day today? Fantastic.
Been long. And it's good.
Well, damn, I'm fat. I'm a trash man today. Huh? Yeah, I was showing that I'm a janitor today. Alright, well that's it. George killed it. I'm so proud of him. We're gonna work on the Rx7 on Monday. We're gonna be ready for round 2. We're gonna make some changes to the Rx7, so stay tuned for that. I think it's been a while since we invested some new upgrades to that car, and I think it's time that you'll just have to watch and find out. But we're gonna do the damn thing. Thanks for watching. See you later. Yeah. thing was a trooper. Bye-bye.